It's wild.
Yeah, no shit. I know. Yeah, I thought so too. I guess not anymore. Thanks, anarchists. You just ruined the whole fucking thing, you goof bastards. You don't even fucking know anything about politics.
Cheering for us, showing up.
We're back.
We're back. Woo! We're all saying it feels so good. Yeah, we just want to get some McDonald's. Yeah, sorry guys. Celebrate. We're here now. We're here now. The heroes are here.
Where's the two guys? Oh, they're moving in. Should move back.
Brothers and sisters!
This thing grabbed somebody and pulled it back. Are you serious? They just grabbed Mo.
What?
Dude, yeah.
Folks, no more coffee, they got tigas, no more coffee. They got tigas, no more coffee, they got tigas.
Hey, did they just grab Mo?
No.
Oh,
You know Mo?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what I thought I heard you say.
Mo's right there.
No, he's right there. They grabbed somebody.
There's quite a big crowds down on Bay now too, right?
Yeah?
Right near the fence.
Oh shit. Let's get out of here.
This is what democracy looks like!
This is what democracy looks like!
This is what democracy looks like!
This is what democracy looks like! This is what democracy looks like!
Harper! Go home! Can't see it.
No, they didn't get him. No? He's over there.
Fuck, dude, they grab and huddle quick. They can get you off. There's 6 people over there already.
They slowly move it, push us out. That guy was saying there's a bunch of shit going down on Bay Street. Too.
Fuck, dude, I thought they grabbed you. I was
Yeah,
looking for you.
that's what I thought too.
They grabbed somebody.
Yeah?
You can't get within 2 from
That was
Yeah, stop throwing shit.
You all don't want to get people arrested here. Don't fucking throw shit. Stop!
After arrest 1,000 people a day. Get it.
Oh, what an idiot. Think about it, dude. Look at all them over there, too. Yeah, I know. Wish I'd zoom on this shit. The zoom broke. I'm kind of parched. Some of the dumber kids with the masks on are instigating shit. They move in a couple feet, a little bit, and then they kind of move a bit forward and snag the guy. There's almost as many cops as there is us. Yeah, they tore down the stage. It's over. The fucking idiot anarchists. Fucking morons. They're handing out zip ties and stuff to the guys in the back. We should probably move back into the trees.
Gotta go!
Did you hear that guy? They're handing out zip ties to all the officers. Who said that? It's one of these guys up here.
Harper's gotta go! Harper's gotta go!
Wait, let's stay Harper. You stay out. Harper.
Go!
Harper.
Out!
Harper. Out. You stay out. Harper.
Out!
Harper.
Out!
Harper. You stay out.
These guys are the gas masks.
Harper! Out!
This is what the police state looks like. This is what the police state looks like.
There are a ton of us.
Stay together, guys.
There's a lot of space that's still built. Running into his roads, and we have all the power. Through there, at least we got buildings conducting the You're a dirty man. Once you're under their line of sight, they have less of an good idea.
Yeah, the paintball guns.
It's urban tactics, right?
I want to see.
They want to arrest a bunch
Yeah,
of
I
us.
know. They've been practicing this for fucking weeks.
What are they doing behind each other? They're getting ready for something. Matt, stay together.